In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build your first website in Webflow. Let's get started. Sign in to your Webflow account and click New Site. You can start with a template, use the AI site builder, or choose a blank project if you want to build your website from scratch. Once your site is created, customize the pages by editing the text, images, colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand or personal style. Use the designer to add new sections, buttons, images, and other elements until your website looks the way you want. Preview your site on desktop and mobile to make sure everything displays correctly. When you're happy with your website, click Publish to make it live. You can publish to a Webflow subdomain or connect your own custom domain if your plan supports it. That's how to build your first website in Webflow. Thanks for watching.